G'day, I'm Tracy from Bearings Express. Since uploading insert bearings and housings, we get asked a lot of questions about how to get the bearings into the housing. So I thought I would do a quick video about how to get these babies into this. I hope you enjoy. So we are going to go through the different parts of what you need to know about the insert bearing and the housing. I've set the housing into this vise in such a way so that it is a better angle on camera. On the bearing, you have what is called a locating pin. And what you see here is the grease screw. And here are a couple of grease holes. So on the housing, you have two cutouts. There's a cutout at the bottom and one at the top. There is a grease groove located at the back of this housing that lines up with the grease nipple. To get this bearing in, we are going to approach sideways, not flat. You'll never get this baby in by simply trying to press it in flat. It's just simply not done that way. So what you need to do is to line your locating pin in the center of one of your upper or lower cutouts. And your locating pin needs to be central and snug against the grease groove. You need to make sure, however you turn the bearing, your grease groove will line up with the grease groove of your housing. Then you're going to turn slightly and you'll feel if it's not right. And oops, with all my talking, mine isn't right. So fiddle to make sure you are center and flush, and you'll find your bearing will turn easily. Turn as far as it will go, and then take a screwdriver to use the leverage to turn it the rest of the way. And there you have it. It really is that simple.